Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to our channel, Living in Fort Wayne. I'm Noe Dowles, realtor here in Northeast Indiana. And in today's video, we're going to talk about VA loans, VA loan eligibility, and I'm going to tell you about a little secret towards the end of the video, so make sure you stay tuned. Before we get any further in the video, you guys have been on YouTube before, you know what to do. Hit the like button, subscribe if you felt like this information was helpful. So, a common misconception about the VA loan is the Veteran Affairs actually disseminates loans. The VA loan is not a loan from the Veteran Affairs, it's actually a loan program that backs a loan. So veterans who meet the time requirement to be eligible for the VA loan program, the Veteran Affairs will essentially act as an insurer in the event that the veteran defaults. Because the Veteran Affairs is going to insure in the event of a default from a veteran buyer, veterans don't have to pay PMI. So generally their total mortgage payment is going to be lower. So that's something to remember. If you're wondering if you're eligible, you can always go to va.gov or contact your regional office and submit your information and they'll let you know whether or not you're eligible. But most times when you submit a mortgage application, the bank will contact the Veteran Affairs on your behalf and get a certificate of eligibility. Keep in mind when you reach out to your lender to start a mortgage application, the lender is going to offer you the terms of the mortgage. They're going to offer you 30-year or 15-year, a fixed or adjustable rate. So that rate is coming from the bank, it's not coming from the Veteran Affairs. Keep that in mind. Biggest incentive for a VA loan program is 0% down. This is very, very huge because sometimes people, maybe you want to save that money. Instead of using it for a down payment, you can still purchase the home and use the extra funds to buy furniture or upgrade the house loan. I want to jump into one of the secrets about VA loans that a lot of people don't know. Let's say Soren Thompson wants to buy a home. Okay, his first home he buys for $200,000. Okay, he's at his first duty station, he buys a house for $200,000. Okay, he lives there for a year. After living there for a year, he gets married and he wants to get a bigger house, in a more desirable neighborhood. He has kids, he's looking for a better school district. But he's concerned that he may have to put a down payment on the second home. So there's something very important to remember about VA loans. The first time you use your VA loan, one time, there is no limit. So you can go up to $2 million as long as you can financially qualify through the lender to qualify for a $1 million home. But if you use less than $548,250, you are now capped under $548,250. So your second home loan, if you use your VA loan, second loan cannot be, the total amount cannot be more than $548,250. Okay? Now it's important that you put a renter into home number one, and this second home has to be your primary residence. You can use the rental income from home number one to qualify for home number two. Now, or here's actually a pretty cool part. Let's say the second house that he found wasn't $348,250, but it was actually $448,250. So he is now $100,000 over the cap, $100,000. So he's gonna have to put down a down payment. Is he gonna have to put $100,000 down payment down on this, Frankie? Yeah. No, he will not. He only needs to put down 25% of the amount over the cap. So in this case, this house is $448,250. He will only need to put down $25,000. Okay. So now he has two properties, and you can keep doing this over, rinse and repeat. You can refinance loan number one into a conventional loan. I don't want to get too far into the details, and now you're eligible again to use your VA loan 2 times. But anyway, that was our video on VA loans. A little bit of background about the VA loans. You can check the links below. I left a couple links down there that you can reference. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out and leave a comment. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.